Hi there and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday cake protein smoothie using our birthday cake extract and also our blue agave. So when you're ready, let's get started. So first we're going to add in our frozen bananas here. This is an entire frozen banana. We don't want to lose any. Next we are going to put in the agave. This is nice, it adds a little bit of sweetness to it and you don't have to use very much of it. Most important part, the birthday cake extract. I'm gonna pour in, this is a little bit over a quarter cup of almond milk. We got some vanilla kind to add a little bit of extra flavor. And 1 serving of protein powder. So for ours is about 1 scoop, but yours might be 2. Just use the directions that are on the container for yourself. Now I'm gonna add in about a scoop of ice or so. You don't really need too much. Our scoop here is small, so I'm probably gonna use a little bit more than 1 scoop. So the most important part about a birthday cake smoothie is the sprinkles, because you can't really have birthday cake without sprinkles. So I'm gonna add a little bit over half of these in here. Leave a little bit for garnish at the end. And now you don't want to blend this too much. You just want to make sure it's lightly blended so it's mixed together because you don't want to crush up all of your sprinkles. All right, that looks just about perfect. So we're just going to pour this into a serving glass. And you can see all the beautiful rainbow of the sprinkles in there. It looks really pretty. And of course, you're going to want to top it off with a couple more sprinkles. And that's it. Now you have a perfect drink for breakfast. You can have it as a snack or even a little addition to your lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you do make this at home, make sure to let us know how you like it in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. That way you'll keep up to date on all of our promos, new products, and of course, giveaways. Bye, we'll see you next time.